What's good, guys? If you want to buy any cryptocurrency at all, be it any coin, BNB, BTC, Ethereum, any coin at all, including PayPal funds, kindly message this number right here, as shown on your screen, and get started. It's real easy and legit. What's up, guys? What's up, you my people? Welcome back to MG Crypto. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Now me, MG Crypto, I dey give videos every day on how. Okay, let me not say every day sha, but I used to give videos. I dey give videos on how you could earn money online legitimate ways. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my second proof of withdrawal from this platform, Naira Honeybit. So as you can see over here, my withdrawal request of 10,000 Naira via USDT TRC20 has been processed successfully. As you can see, this is the amount, this is the charge, and this is the total amount that I'm going to receive. I'm going to be receiving around 13 USDT as my withdrawal bonus. In today's episode, guys, I'm going to be showing you how this platform works and how you could earn without even having to deposit or do anything. So guys, before I start, guys, I'm doing a giveaway to celebrate 1 year on this channel. So all you need to do to enter for the giveaway is to click any of my recent videos that I published this year. Just okay, you click on one of it like this, okay. Then after clicking on it, go to the description box. Right, so after clicking on it, guys, you go to the description box real quick. Let's go to the description box. So when you get to the description box, over here you see join my free Tron giveaway. When you click on this link, it will be directed to a page where you input some essential details and your Tron TRC wallet address. Like I said, this year I'm gonna be doing videos on my channel basically on Tron for this month. Alright, guys, so to enter for the giveaway, make sure to like my videos, hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and put everything to all. Put it to all. Turn the notification bell to all so that you receive any updates, you receive notifications when I post a video like this one. Alright, guys, so let me show you the payment proof before I start. Okay, as you can see, this is 13. I just received 13 USDT. Okay, this is it over here. I just received 13 USDT today. Alright, guys, so let's jump straight to the website. Okay, so this is what the dashboard looks like. So they are kind of like a pay to click company, but that's not how I earn on this platform actually. So as you can see over here, my total deposit is 3,000 naira. It's 3,000 naira, and as you can see, my total withdrawal is over 10,200 naira. You can see that I'm not actually earning from what I deposited. I'm earning from what I do for the website, what I do on the website rather. Alright, guys, so as you can see, let's quickly go to let me quickly show you how I earn. So before we start, guys, if you are new to the website and you want to register, click the link in the description box to register. It's free. Registration is free. So on registration, guys, you're gonna give me sum of 200 rand, which is withdrawable. You can withdraw it via airtime. You can just click on the withdraw button after doing KYC, a minor KYC that includes you join their Telegram group. Alright, guys, so when you click on withdraw, you can withdraw via bank transfer, USDT, and you could also withdraw via airtime. You can also withdraw via airtime. Alright, guys, so that's how it is. So since this platform has paid me, I'm doing this as a bounty for them, although I'm still going to get my own reward for this video I'm doing right now. So guys, after I join the Telegram group, you do your KYC. How to do KYC? If you don't know how to do KYC, it's so easy. Join their Telegram group, then you submit a picture of yourself and a screenshot that shows that you are a member of their Telegram group. It's that easy. Alright, guys, so if you don't know how to start earning, you could click here, or you could just watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you a strategic way that you could use to earn up to 10,000 naira on a daily basis without having to do all this works. So on registration, guys, if you kind of like go here to select a plan, okay, kind of like click on here and go to this plan button over here to select a plan. Once you select a plan, okay, as you can see, there's a free plan, the smally plan, and the mega smally plan, and the mini pro. Alright, guys, so as you can see over here, my current package is the mega small plan, and I'm going to be showing you how it actually works. So me using the mega small plan, I'm going to be giving a specific amount of PTC to click per day. So as I'm clicking that PTC per day, I'm earning my rewards, I'm earning money from it. So as you can see over here, all you need to do to click your PTC is to go over to this place, my account, then click on this place and go to the PTC, click on ads over here. So when you click on the ads, you get redirected to this page. As you can see, these are the advertisements that they have. So if you view any of this one, you're going to be earning 20 naira per whatever you view, depends on your plan. Let's say for example, if you're using the free plan, you will only be entitled to 2 PTCs. As you can see, I'm using the 7,000 naira plan, so that's why I'm entitled to over 20 PTCs per day. So that's 20 times 20, that's the amount of money I'm earning per day. That's 400, right? Yeah, so that's the amount of money I'm going to be earning per day for using this one, for using that plan. All right guys, so you could also enjoy the referral program. They said that they were going to be hosting a referral program like this month to next month, and the referral program is going to be huge. So if you are in Nigeria and you're looking for a way to earn money, this is perfect way, this is perfect way. So apart from that 200 naira you get on registration, you could also earn via the referral program and the bounty program, which I'm about to show you right now. So the way this bounty program actually works is very easy. As you can see right now, I'm making a YouTube video. I can submit it to their bounty email address and I'll get reward for that. Yeah, I'll get reward for that. All right, that's 5 6 7 8. So that's a, then confirm earn. Okay, so I've successfully viewed ad and my money should have increased by 20 naira. So that's how it actually works. So this is a referral. So okay, let me check. I think I have no commission for referral, so I'm not making any money on referral program because the people I have referred, they have refused to deposit. So as you refer people and they deposit, you earn. So there are a lot of people I referred already. So guys, let me show you the bounty program, how I earned up to 10,000 naira using this platform for just 5 days. All right guys, so I literally have to okay, when you get to this page, 10 million naira bounty claim, then okay, look at it, bounty for promoter. So if you are using Facebook, you can just go to a group, share your referral link, say good things about this website, or even share your payment proof self, and after doing that you're going to earn reward for it. So as you can see, this YouTube bounty, the one I'm doing right now, and this is Telegram bounty, where you promote them on your Telegram or any Telegram group. As far as I do, I'm promoting them. So after doing any of that stuff, you quickly click this link, okay, then you send an email to the link. It's so easy. So all you need to do, description of your email should be like a screenshot of a screenshot proof that shows that you have done some promotion, a promotion, and a screenshot of your referral link must be in that promotion's description. So as you can see, it take up to 72 hours. Let's take for example now this bounty, YouTube bounty I'm doing. Okay, that's Telegram bounty, okay, YouTube bounty. So as you can see, I can make up to 100 naira to 70k for just a video. So as you can see over here, make a 3 minutes video about them and you're going to be getting 10 to up to 50,000 naira just for making a video about them. You can see how easy that is. So if you kind of have any social media platform, you could just make a video about them or make a post about them and you're gonna earn reward for that. So if you're having issues with your account or any related stuff, they have support. Only fill out these details and you'll be reached out. You could also create a support ticket if you want to do it so easily. If you want to do it easily, because that's the easy part. Alright guys, so this platform actually pays. If you're a Nigerian, do all to try it, and don't forget to join their Telegram group. Their Telegram is upcoming. As you can see, 322 subscribers. It's kind of like a new platform and it's paying. So do all to join their Telegram group. It's something easy, and like I showed you, if you follow my strategy, you don't need to deposit to earn. You can use your free plan to get referral reward and bounty reward. You don't even need to deposit at all. So as you can see, I deposited like 3,000. and I bought a plan of 7,000. How's that possible? It's not through the bounty program. So do well to join it. The app is coming out soon. According to them, the app is going to come out soon. This is their blog over here. The app is coming out soon. So guys, the app will be so big and legit. So all we need to do is to just wait for the app. On that app, they are gonna be doing 10,000 naira rewards on a weekly basis. You can see how much you are going to be earning as a member of this platform. So guys, if you are Nigerian, do well to join the platform. It's so easy. Thank you very much for watching.